Hey guys, and welcome to Live Russian Vocab. Today we will talk about one of the first words I hear when I say to someone that I'm Russian. It happens like this normally. I'm saying that I'm Russian and I hear, yeah, of course, davai, davai, davai. Well, this word davai or давайте when being polite or when talking to more than one person is really popular in the Russian language, but it has other meanings besides this meaning like давай, давай, go ahead or hurry up. And today we will look at these other meanings. Let's get started! So, we will start from the bottom, from right here. The first meaning of давай, which is imperative from the verb давать, to give. For example, давать совет, to give an advice. So, давай, like go ahead, plus infinitive of any verb will mean let's. Not of any verb, some verbs don't go with давай. For example, we can't say давай идти, like let's go. We can't say it. But we can say давай бегать, let's run. Or давай читать, let's read. Or давай изучать русский язык, let's learn the Russian language. So that was the first meaning. The second meaning is bye or see you, bye-bye. And the expressions are normally like this. Ну ладно, давай, пока. Like, okay, see you, bye. Or, ладно, давайте, okay, see you. Or, ну все, давай. Like, okay, see you. Like this. Or давайте when talking to few people or being polite. Давайте, okay? The same here. You can say давайте бегать, let's run when being polite or when you talk to two and more people. The next meaning is agreement or go ahead. For example, пойдем в кино. Let's go to the cinema. Давай. Okay, I agree, or давайте when you want to be polite. Another example is хочешь, я тебя подвезу. Do you want me to give you a ride? Давай, okay, or давайте when being polite or talking to two people and more. The next meaning is to start acting. In this case, we use just давай and never давайте. Even when we are talking about two and more people, we would use давай. I will give some examples. Я увидел клоуна и давай смеяться. I saw a clown and started to laugh. If we put мы here, us, it would be the same. Мы увидели клоуна и давай смеяться. Давай, it means started to. Okay, it's like an expression, like some phrasal verb. I don't know how to call it in English. Well, another example is Я нашла свою любимую книгу и давай читать. I found my favorite book and started to read. Even if we put here они нашли свою любимую книгу и давай читать. They found their favorite book and started reading it. The next two meanings don't require imperative form, давай. They require either present form of давать, which is conjugated. Я даю, ты даешь, он дает, она дает. Они дают, мы даем, вы даете. Or it requires the past. Давал, давала, давали. Okay, let's look at the examples. First meaning is to achieve. Она родила 10 детей. She gave birth to 10 children. Ну, она дает. Like, what an achievement. It's used exactly like this. Ну, она дает. It can be translated like, she sure takes the cake. I found this expression in English. Or another example. Ну, ты даешь, to show you the conjugation. For example, я выучил 100 новых слов. I learned 100 new words. Ну, ты даешь. What an achievement. You sure take the cake. And the last meaning, again with the present or past, we will look at it, to let. For example, сосед не дает мне спать ночью. My neighbor doesn't let me sleep at night. Here we used the present. Let's look at the past. Мама не давала ребенку подходить к воде. A mom didn't let her child to approach water. We could use не дает in this case if we are talking about present. Like a mom doesn't give or is no. A mom is not letting or doesn't let her child to approach water. It would be мама не дает ребенку подходить к воде. So, I hope this video was useful for you and you learned some new meanings of the word ДАВАЙ and you will use it in your daily speech. See you and ну ладно, давайте!